Hey, this is my 112 turn project. It's a game that's similar to Candy Crush. So you can click on 1, 2, 3, 4 to choose different themes. Different themes, as the colors suggested by their squares, are the background colors of each theme, and you can press H to learn how to play. So how to play is you can match 3 same color circles to score points, and match them by selecting any 2 circles to change their positions. You can press R to restart, press P to keep playing, press B to go back to the menu. So we're going to choose theme 1. And your score is at 0, which will increase by 1,000 every time you match 3 same color circles together. And time, you have 60 seconds for each level. This is level 1. You can press H to learn how to play again, and hints here to suggest you any potential moves, like this. So you can always change background color by going back to B to the menu and then select a different theme. Or if you want to restart the game, you can press R and the game will restart. So it starts with level 1 at 60 seconds again, and we can start playing the game. And this is the game moving on to level 2. And it's a new board, and you can still use the hint button to get potential moves suggested to you by the computer. Oh, and this is it moving on to level 3. And the last 2 points are collected. Oh, and so game overs. The game overs. This is your cumulative score throughout all 3 levels. Thank you.